Hello students, welcome back to my channel Easy Learn with Harinder Kaur. Generally we find people saying that where do they apply maths in their day-to-day life, or why did they learn maths when it was such a difficult subject? But let me tell you, maths is all around us. Everybody says that sharing is caring. When the sharing is not done in equal portion, it is called unfair also. Where do we learn this concept sharing? We learn it in the school, in the tiffin period, or when we are sharing our pencils or pens with our friends. And another place also where we learn maths, that is our math classroom. We learn in the topic division. Another name for division is equal sharing, which is based on subtraction. I want to teach you division through an activity, money activity. Let's go and do this activity. Let's children teach you the concept of sharing through division. I'm going to take one number like 738 divided among 6 equal parts. So now the number is 738 and my props are my currency, Indian currency. So now 738, let me take this place, 700. I am going to take out 700 rupees from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And 38. I have to take 3 10-rupee notes and 8 rupees. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I have separated the amount which I need to divide among 6 equal parts. So now let's share these 100 rupees among these envelopes. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500 and 600. See, the concept of division is that everything has to be shared among all equally. I'm left with 100 rupees and I can't give it to anybody because all are equal to me. So I am going to deduct, as division is based on repeated subtraction also. So I am going to divide it by 6. So 600 rupees I had equally divided among 6 portions. I am left with 138. So now what I will be doing, I have to take equal portions of 10 rupees now, and I am giving 100 rupees to it, and 10 rupees in place of 100 rupees I will be taking so that I can divide them equally. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So now 10 plus 3 has become 13. I am going to divide them equally. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, and I am left with only 10 rupees. I have spent 120 rupees there. So first of all, I had spent 6 notes. So 6 notes here I had spent, and 120. 18 rupees are left with me now. So here I had spent 10 rupees, 12 notes, and 100 rupees note, 6 notes. 6 into 100 plus 12 into 10. Now once again I am left with only means 1 10 rupee note. So what I will be doing, I will convert it into the smaller units. Smaller units are rupee 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And these are 8. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So now I am going to distribute these 18 rupees. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 and 18. This is finished. So now how many? 18 into 1 I had spent. Now I have to see how many rupees are there in one envelope. 100 rupees. And then how many rupees here? 10 rupee notes, 2 here. And how many 1 rupee notes? 3. So the answer is 123. Alright. Now 123, and we can check it also by multiplication. 123 multiplied by 6. 6 3 is the 18. 1 in the mind. Now 6 2 is the 12 and 1 3. And once again 1 in the mind. 6 ones are 6 and plus 1 7. 738. Our answer is correct. So now you can see that we had spent the whole amount and divided it into equal parts. So when the things are equal, see, there is symmetry also. So equal sharing is the main concept of division, and this is a division through long division method. Alright, and this was the concept which I taught you here. This is called quotient. This is called dividend. And this is divisor. Through this we can learn the concept of division. Concept of division says that we have to do equal sharing, and suppose something is left, that is known as remainder, that doesn't go to anybody. It is a separate portion. Thank you.